Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to reset your network adapter in Windows 10. This tutorial applies for Ethernet and Wi-Fi. Go to the start menu and type network reset and hit enter in this option. Select this button, reset now. Your PC will be restarted. One click and confirm in this new pop-up window. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Click on yes and close this new window. This is a notification. Click on close and go to the start menu, select the power off button and click on restart to apply the change. Sorry for my English. Is my first video with a webcam speaking in English. Login in your desktop. No. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. This is all and see you in the next video. Goodbye.